Let us continue with our lesson. We have already added our service to get all tasks, and the next step over here is to go and create a repository class. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the repository and create a new Kotlin class and call this one as a task, or we can just say as a task, R-E-P-O-S-I-T-O-R-Y. So task repository, just create it. So we have a task repository over here, and we need a constructor over here, and we need to pass a network service. So we will need a network service, and let's create this one as a private variable of a network service. And inside this, let's create a function of it should be of a suspend function, because we have a suspend function, and that should be get all tasks, right? So it should be get all tasks, and what we have to pass over here is a token. So that should be of a token of a string data type, and that should be of, we should get a network service dot get all tasks, and we need to pass this token. So we have a token and we need to pass that token. So we have created a task repository. We should get all the tasks, and that should return from our network service that get all tasks. So network service that get all tasks is a returning of a response of a task response. So there we are getting a return type of the response of task response. So I think that's all for this lesson. We have created a task repository, and the next step would be to go and use it in our view model. So we need to work with our view model. So let's meet up in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.